Yes, here comes the police. Wants to turn around again.
I'm curious too.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the new afterlife for Twitter. So I see we're in a different environment. It is, of course, for a reason, because we're going to see the car for the last time at the Rijksdienst voor het Wegverkeer inspection. And yes, that's super exciting to get it on the road. I'll call it healthy excitement. Next, we need to do the inspection. The car is finished with a new rear and spoiler. I would say let's get in the car. We're going to the inspection. Cause yeah, guys, it's really a beauty, and that just has to be shown. Let's go. Yes. We're just sitting there with our seatbelts. Our nice seatbelts. From CM Customs, guys. Don't you know CM Customs yet, guys? Check them out on Instagram. I want to make a cool sports, Alcantara covering, custom seatbelts, and more. Wow, the thing is a dream to drive, right? Oh, we're here for the language, Becco. Setbacks with things that turned out better than expected with enormously. Boy, oh boy, you guys can what kind of headaches we had with parts to get the armature in on time. We just wanted to release at least one episode every week because that's just how we do it, of course. It's not that he managed to do it, of course, but my hat, that's just how it is. And in the end, we only have a product. And it should be registered if all goes well. Because the inspector is going to check everything, well, needs everything to be done. Overall, and the dropship. No strange remarks like missing headlights, bumpers, things like that. We have all that included, so we hope to avoid any error messages. But we have auto in the complaint is schadevrij. So yeah, we're on our way now. And we really have to. You can just go past it, a lot closer to the stairs. So we immediately tested the slalom. Where were we? Oh yeah, with the inspectors walking around the car. Yeah, and underneath, I think, and what? Anything else? The most important thing is the beer club. So your chassis number matches the car. You have the original papers and certificate of conformity, right? Your certificate of conformity that you... I stumped them. Your frame matches your rivet plate. And under your window? Those are all the same. Also check for any fraud on the Ing Food car. I always see that black spoiler in my mirror. That thing, you know, it changes the whole look of the car. Everyone looks at this car too. Yeah, you just notice it, of course. You almost never see a Gallardo, you see a Huracan more often. Yeah, seeing a Gallardo is rare. Oh, I won't. The roundabout where the car broke down. I'm not gonna drive to the restaurant either. There's no point in really pushing it, so we have daytime. Me neither. You can request the car and write it yourself on an A4 sheet. It's simple. And with that, you get the corresponding papers. Go. Yeah, I'm going. I kind of go to Neil's document. Yes, just print them, making sure they're clearly visible and not in small letters. Just remember the small, simple things on a day like today. You just have to be insured. If that happens, man, you just have to be insured. You just have a really expensive car. Not just for that, but for others too, of course. Oh yeah, and what I think is important to mention is that they're super strict there with cameras. They actually don't like it when you film there. Yeah, just arriving with a lot of influence. Driving, we also haven't seen that in agriculture, really. Hey. Yeah, oh guys, it can be that fast. It's only about 5 minutes or so from our workshop, so we're going to park it and check in inside. Guys, I just came from inside, and luckily the paperwork is just right, because, and yeah, it's Dave, a small wrinkle or something. No, they wrote on it, and yeah, look, as you can see, they've actually scratched through things.
And that lady says, well, that's convenient with such an expensive car that you go scratching through things.
Yeah, luckily they could still read it, so it was still usable. But, borderline or something. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't think it was proper. I don't know how else I could have solved it today. I have no idea how to apply for a new document. It's fine, I'm going, so I'll make it to the campaign. I'll see next time. Yes, I paid. But I shouldn't put it in front of a door. Yes, in front of number 2, let's do that.
Wait and see if that's enough on stage or if I need to keep doing it.
Okay, guys, my little brother just drove the car outside, and I'm going to check the outcome, because if everything goes well, he should be coming around the building now.
Driven to...
And then we'll just see what has been said, and whether the car has been approved, or what the situation is. So I'm really super curious. So, as I just said, I'm really excited about the auto issue. We have received a lot of labels, the tax authorities. What exactly did that man check? I don't think it was much, just a brief technical inspection. He briefly went under the outer door and checked everything quickly. He opened the hood. I think he checked the hood hinges and the turret, the chassis number, and so on. Later he came up to me. With this document, your car is registered, and with this A document, you can record and activate your BPM. You can now register it. Great news! The one-night license plate is meant for driving to the Rijksdienst for a Wegverkeer inspection station and back to the workshop. So, the idea is not that you're going to try to get it. Of course, we don't want that either. We already attract enough attention with the car, so yeah, what are we going to do now? You'll need to pedal to the workshop, but we'll bring you with us. And I'd say it's a super cool episode because we got to drive. The Lambo is approved. Go! Our day can't get any better. Let's go. What a beast. Unbelievable, guys. A nice open road. My day can't get any better. Really, really. Delicious. The police are coming. I hope it's good. How many times? I'm curious too. He keeps driving. He keeps driving. He's still driving. He's still driving. That's great news. We had an amazing day, everyone. The Lambo is approved, and I promise the content will be awesome now that we have a tuning aspect. That nothing else can go wrong. The car will get Dutch plates.
We can be proud of that. High five, bro. High five boxes. I promise there will be cool content.
Give a thumbs up if you're happy with the car. The guys are gone. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We are boys, supported by the hero. Get the merchandise and your own Twins television t-shirt, and of course we'll be back on our YouTube channel and in the project. But that's to have. 4 weeks Friday, new flavoring. We don't know what we're gonna do yet. I can promise you we're going to make a really fun episode. We love you. See you then.